सहरा में जब हुई मुझे खुश चश्मों की तलाश, सहरा में जब हुई मुझे खुश चश्मों की तलाश, कोसों में आशवान-ए-खुतन से निकल गया. Ameer Minai. He says, whenever I needed to find the one with bright sparkling eyes in the wilderness, I walked miles away from the musketeers of the plains of Tartary. Ameer Minai was a Sufi poet, and sure enough, as any sher of his, this sher is also full of tasawwuf, full of philosophy of life, and has several meanings. The first meaning, that is the apparent meaning, is very simple. To find the one with bright sparkling eyes in the wilderness, I had to walk long distances. The second meaning is a bit deeper. He says, whatever my heart desires, I have to find it, and for that, I have to walk away from the musketeers of Tartary. I have to give up all the worldly possessions, all the precious things that I possess. And the third meaning is about attainment of truth. The poet conveys that if one desires to attain nirvana, one needs to get away from all the allurement that this life has to offer. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.